Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today we have a question, square root of x raised to the power x, which is equal to x raised to the power square root of x, and we have to find the value of x. So we can write x raised to the power x. Square root can be written as power 1 divided by 2, which is equal to x raised to the power square root of x. So as we know that a raised to the power m whole power n is equal to a raised to the power mn, so it will become x raised to the power x divided by 2, which is equal to x raised to the power square root of x. Now we can see that here bases are same, so we will compare its powers. So it will become x divided by 2, which is equal to square root of x. Now we will take 1 in the denominator and do its cross multiplication, so it will become x one time x, and it will become 2 square root of x. Now taking square on both sides, so it will become x square and it will become 2 square root of x square. So x square is equal to 2 squares means 4, and square root will be cancelled out here, so it will become x. Now we can write it as x square minus 4x, and it will be equal to 0. From here we can take common x, and it will become x minus 4, which is equal to 0. And from here we can get two factors x and x minus 4, which are equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, and from here x minus 4 is equal to 0. And from here we can get x is equal to positive 4. To check, we have square root of x raised to the power x, which is equal to x raised to the power square root of x. And first we will put here 0. 0 raised to the power 0 is equal to 0 raised to the power square root of 0. And if 0 raised to the power 0 is undefined, it means x cannot be equal to 0. Now we will check for x is equal to 4, so it will become square root of 4 raised to the power 4, which is equal to 4 raised to the power square root of 4. So 4 raised to the power 4, and square root can be written as 1 by 2 power, which is equal to 4, and square root of 4 is equal to 2. So from here to 1 times 2 to 2 times 4, 4 square is equal to 4 square. It means the value of x is 4, which satisfy our given equation, which is square root of x raised to the power x, which is equal to x raised to the power square root of x. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.